Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Welcome to Arabic Teaching Channel. I am Dr. Ahmad Zaharullah, Nadvi, Assistant Professor, Sadaqatullah College, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. My dear students, in the previous classes we learned about the sun letters and moon letters of Arabic alphabet. The sun letters are called in Arabic language Al-Huroofush Shamsiyya, and the moon letters are called in Arabic Al-Hurooful Qamariyya. Dear students, we also studied in the previous lesson that Arabic grammarian have divided the 28 Arabic letters, Arabic consonants into two groups. Group number 1, sun letters, and group number 2, moon letters. Both the sun letters and moon letters are 14 in number. 14, 1-4. I mean, sun letters are 14 and moon letters also 14. Dear students, remember that the rule of the sun letters and moon letters are related with only the definite noun of Arabic language. It is not related with the indefinite noun. For example, there is a word in Arabic, Shamsun. Samsun, which means a sun. It means a sun. Oru Suryan. This is an indefinite noun of Arabic language. We should change this noun into definite one because the lesson Al-Huroofush Shamsiyya and Qamariyya, sun letters and moon letters are related only with the definite noun of Arabic language. So we have to change this one into definite noun. Dear students, there are 3 letters in this word: Sheen, Mim and Sin. Samsun. There are 3 letters. Samsun means a sun. The letter Sin is the one of the sun letters. Dear student, now we should change this noun into definite noun. What should be done? We should bring first the definite article of Arabic language before this noun. Al is the definite article of Arabic language. Dear student, we already studied in the previous lessons that like the definite article of Arabic language, the, and the definite article of Arabic Tamil language, and the definite article of Arabic language, al, does not stand alone. It should be prefixed with the noun. Al. It should be prefixed with a definite with the noun, with the indefinite noun, like this. Now, when we prefix the definite article of Arabic language al with the indefinite noun, we should remove the indefinite article of Arabic language tanween, and simple over sign dhamma should be replaced, because both the definite article and the indefinite article should not be take place in a noun. That may cause contradiction. Therefore, the tanween should be removed, and the simple place should be placed here. Then how to read this one? Al-Samsu. Al-Shamsu. But dear students, as this is the main point of this lesson, listen carefully, that we should not read Al-Shamsu. We should not read Al-Shamsu because the next to the letter of the lam of the definite article, the letter is Seen. Seen is from one of the sun letters. Therefore, the lam of the definite article should not be pronounced. Though it is written, should not be pronounced, it will become silent because the next letter Seen is one of the sun letter. Instead of that, we should bring the sign called Shadda, the sign for the double consonant, and with the Shadda we should make this Seen double. The Shadda should be placed above the Seen like this. Now the noun is Ash-Shamsu should be read, should be pronounced Ash-Shamsu. It should not be pronounced Al-Shamsu. The lam of the definite article becomes silent, should not be pronounced though it is written because the next letter is Seen. Seen is the one of the sun letter groups. Okay, dear student, on the contrary, if the letter next to the lam, one of the from the group of more letters, the lam should be read. Lam should be pronounced. For example, there is a word in Arabic, Qamarun. Now this Qamarun means a moon. Now this noun is indefinite noun. We should make it, change it into definite one by prefixing the definite article of Arabic language Al-Qamaru. We should read Al-Qamaru. Now the lam of the definite article should be pronounced because the next letter Qaf, Mim, Ra, Qamarun, Qaf. The next letter Qaf is from the moon letters group. Therefore, the lam should be pronounced. Dear students, this is the rule of the sun letters and moon letters. Knowing this rule will help the readers in correct reading the Arabic words and passages. Dear students, therefore, we have to memorize all the sun letters and moon letters. Then only we can read the Arabic words and passages correctly. Dear students, don't hesitate to reach out to me for any questions you may have. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you. Go through all my videos and subscribe, give likes and ring the bell and share the links with others. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala shower his blessings upon all of you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.